I need to make the tool tray. I call it a tool tray because that's what it was. They had pieces of wood here, and you stick your finger in the hole and you keep all your tools down here, which it came with some Ford tools as far as I know. This came down and then came across here, which would be a little ways up in here, and it's going to be hard for me to attach there. It'd be very easy for me to attach down here, so I think I'm going to make the tray a little deeper, which should be nothing but nice. Gonna have to make some sort of a little box thing to come up into this area. I think I'll probably be welding it in here, here, here. So I think the best thing for me to do is cut this out and then make a template from there up to here, and I'm gonna have to make that curved template. Maybe I'll be able to use just a piece of metal as a template, get a rough measurement, and then go from there. But at any rate, I need something there. Your boot's gonna fall through.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright. There's something. Those curved corners, because that corner curves is kind of a pain in the butt. I don't know how I could have cut those better, but I didn't cut them right. But let's see if we can't set it in there and start seeing where we're going to trim. Alright. Got our tool tray in there. Got it curved around those corners and whatnot. Put in little bead rolls. It's probably about, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 inches deeper. I don't know, I could, before I had to lay all this stuff down, almost. Still have to lay it down, but more rooms is more rooms. It doesn't affect anything under here, you know. So, just at the bottom of this, which makes this stronger. Good girl. Last part we need here is this little edge, because I need to, that holds your trunk seal on, and so we need to get that in there. Looks like something's trying to fall apart in there. Better weld those up. There's that little McBiscuit. That's it. Boys and girls, that's it. Last rust hole here on the driver's side quarter. I'm sure there's some stuff on the fenders. And it looks like we have some sticks and a dog turd. So that's fun. Is that a dog turd? Looks like a dog turd. Alright, made some the bumper holes here that are replacing that guy. And what's left of that guy. And I just did a bent piece, and then I cut it with some snips and just bent it around. Just measured out our length, and that'll go in there. So we'll cut out our spot here, and then we'll solid weld these edges in. Well, gonna get a little primer going on this thing. Got the filler all on it. It's not even close to straight, but it's clip clop jalop. So, and it's 10:30 at night. Just trying to get through it. I don't know how many days we got. It's the 23rd and we're supposed to be there on the 12th. I don't even know how many days are in this month. But just giving it what I got. All of it. All of it. All right, boys and girls. we're gonna paint old clip clop jalop gold. Catch you on the painted side. Primer sealer. Got her sprayed. Got to get her out of here tonight in order to put the flex truck in for safekeeping tonight. But we're gonna go home for a little bit and eat a sandwich and come back and unmask, put on wheels, get it back out of here for the weekend. Probably bring it back in tomorrow, work on it tomorrow, because we're down to, let's check. It is the 27th. So I have about 1 week. Yeah, almost 2 weeks before we gotta be there. So we're okay. I gotta get those rear fenders done, and that's gonna be a bear, but I kinda took care of the mechanical stuff first. My fan, water pump, alternator belt is squealing. I think these old Fords, they had a bigger V in the water pump and sometimes crank pulley, but on this one I think the crank pulley is the correct V. I think they called a V5, which is a standard automotive belt. But on one of my old Y blocks on my 56 Mercury pickup, it had a wider belt. I had to go with an implement belt in order for it to be the right V. And so I think the crank pulley's right and the alternator's right, but that water pump is a different type of V. And so I'm gonna try to tighten it up, maybe switch it to a smaller belt, see what we got there. So there's a few things. But then I gotta get the front clip back on, get the rear fenders stripped, worked, sandblasted, body worked, painted, and put on. So there's some stuff to do, but I think we'll be okay. The push for Huff is a tough one, but thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an awesome day.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna